it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Sephora haul and I'm so proud of my little under $100 haul. Like literally, I feel like I got a good amount of stuff and my total was like right at $90. It was like 80 and some change, and I think with tax and everything it came up to be like right at $90. So I feel like I did really good on this haul. So if you guys want to see all the stuff that I got from Sephora, go ahead and keep watching the video. All right, so let's go ahead and dig into my box of goodies that I have here. So you guys know I'm all about Sephora's kits, okay? Anytime they come out with those kits, I am on it, okay? Especially this one, the Sephora Favorites. Hello, if you have not seen these, girl, get your life. This is basically what has replaced the Sephora play boxes that they used to come out with. So these are still $10, but you get like 6 sample sizes, but you also get coupons. So if you want to try out the full size, then you actually get 15% off, and it has the coupon code as well as the barcode, so you can use this in store or online, which I think is really nice. And these honestly do not expire until, like, this one doesn't expire until January of next year. So you have like a lot of time to use those coupons. So I think that's really awesome that they do that. So let's go ahead and get into this. So this is the Hello set. This is the Beauty Big Shots one. So everything that came in here, so you have the Valentino Donna perfume. So this is what the full size looks like. I absolutely love this perfume. It's a floral woody fragrance is what the notes say, and this smells so freaking good, you guys. Oh my gosh, like I am already ready to buy the full size. I know that the full size is gonna be like $1 million, but I don't even care because it smells like so freaking good. So that's the first thing that came in there. The next thing that came in here is the Tarte C Surfer Curl mascara. I did not open this because I have some mascaras that I'm trying to use up, but I do plan on opening this soon because one of the mascaras, I try to use like 2 mascaras at a time, and one of them is probably expired and I need to switch it out. So I will be using this soon, but that came in there. And then we also got the makeup eraser. I've been hearing a lot of people talking about the makeup eraser. It looks like just a terry cloth that you are supposed to just wet it, and it's supposed to take off all of your makeup. And it says wash approximately 1 to 2 times a week. Girl, I am not about to reuse this without washing it, okay? That's just nasty to me. But I do like the fact that it's reusable and you're not just throwing it away every time. So I am going to use that. And then I also got this Dermalogica Daily Micro Exfoliant. Now this is interesting because I was always taught that you do not want to exfoliate every day, but this says that you can use it every day. And it's a smoothing, brightening powder exfoliant. So I've never heard of a powder exfoliant before. So yeah, this will be really interesting to try. And then I got this Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. That came in there. And then the last thing that came in here is this Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. So this is like a nighttime moisturizer. So everything in here I would definitely test out just to see, you know, how I like it and everything. So to get all of those products for $10, girl, run to Sephora, log on to the website, okay, and get you one of these Hello kits because they are amazing. All right, so the next thing that I got, speaking of kits, I got another kit. This is the Sephora Favorites Pop Beauty Zone. This was only $12, okay? And when you see all the products in here, girl, for $12, This was freaking amazing. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. So you have like a little card that tells you about the products, some stickers, and then these are the products inside. So I'm going to read you off the prices, and just keep in mind this is a $12 box. So the first thing that we have in here is this DP Hue ACV hair mask. Okay, it's a pretty good size hair mask. This hair mask retails for $42. So you already got the full value of the box already. Okay, so that came in here. Shiny Darden, I've never heard of this brand. This is the Retinol Reform. This is like a serum that I'm actually going to start using right away because I don't have any serums in my makeup. I mean, not my makeup, my skincare stash right now. This retails for $88. Okay. And then we have the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. And this retails for $32. And then we have the Huda Beauty Silk Balm. This is a lip balm. And this lip balm retails for $21. The Clean Reserve, this is their Aqua Neroli rollerball. I don't like this for two reasons. I wasn't a fan of the smell anyway, but I'm definitely not a fan of rollerballs. But I will show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So that's about the size that you get. I just was not into that smell. But this retails for, girl, $98. Okay. And then we also got the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, and this retails for $39. So all in all, I feel like this was a really good kit. I mean, $12 and you got all of those products, like, and really good brands too. So this is a really good buy. Okay, so the next thing that I got is by Fenty Beauty. I got the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. I got mine in the shade 210. Like right now, I'm wearing her foundation in the shade 200, and I feel like for the summer, this is like super light on me. Like when I put it on, I felt like I just looked like a ghost. And like now that I've done like the rest of my makeup, you know, my bronzer and my powder and everything, and it's been sitting on my face for an hour or two, I feel like it looks pretty good. But when I first put it on, I was like, oh girl, no. So I think I definitely need to go up a shade or two in the foundation, but this is what they matched me to online, so I may actually need to get this shade in the foundation, but this is what it looks like. Doe Fit applicator, and that is the concealer. So it's pretty thick. I didn't use it on my face today, but I did use it to carve out my brows, and I felt like it was a good consistency when I was carving out my brows. I did feel like it was a little like how the foundation is, where it dries really, really quick and you gotta work fast. So I'm going to see how this does, you know, on my face, blending out with my beauty blender versus just a dry brush that I would use for my brows. So I'm still kind of on the fence about this. I kind of would have preferred it to be more on the hydrating side and not like dry. But I'm going to use it some more and we'll see. But this product I really did like. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat. And this is in the shade Hot Cherry. This is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I just have a lip liner and then this on. And this is what it looks like. I mean, can we just address the packaging? Like, this packaging is like literally everything. So that is what it looks like. And then this is the gloss swatched. So it is kind of on the sheer side, but I mean, what I always do with my glosses anyway is wear it with a liner to give it a little bit more texture, and you know, so it doesn't look so sheer, you know, and it has a little bit more pigment to it. But this would be really cute just to keep in your makeup bag and just throw on, especially if it's like a no makeup day or something like that. So I would definitely recommend this one, especially if you like a reddish kind of lip gloss. This is really pretty. All right, and the last thing that I got from Sephora is more perfume. You guys know I love smelling good. This set was a steal, okay? So this is the Versace Bright Crystal and then the Versace Bright Crystal Absolute. So you get 2 of these sample size perfumes for, girl, $18. I was like, yes, get in my cart, okay? So this is what they look like. So they're about that big, and these are, let me see what the ounce is. These are 5 mLs, 0.17 fluid ounces. But honestly, these would last you like a long time because you really don't need a lot. So when you open it up, it does open like that. So you just have to like drop it on your body. But oh my gosh, this smells so good. Like Versace Bright Crystal is my go-to scent for the spring and summer months. Like this is like my absolute favorite scent for the spring and summer months. And then I've never used the Absolute, so I wanted to try the Absolute. Okay, so this is interesting. The Absolute smells very, very similar to the Valentino that I got earlier, but it smells really, really good too. I suck at describing scents, so I can't really tell you like the notes for this one, but I will link everything in the description bar below, and you can go on the website and see the notes. I mean, but in my personal opinion, the Absolute has just a really nice floral. The Valentino is more of a floral woody. This is like a straight floral, just very light springtime scent to me. That's like the best way that I can describe it. But girl, 2 perfumes for $18. Get in my cart, okay? That was freaking amazing. So that is everything that I got from Sephora. If you guys want dedicated reviews on any of these products, let me know in the description bar below, and I can definitely get those up for you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe, as well as hit the button so you are notified of all future uploads from me. And I will talk to you guys next time in my next video. Bye.